Hi friends, myself Premanand Bugde and I am the manager, center manager of Lita Infotech Computer Education Center at MAPSA. So this Lila Infotech Computer Training Center started in the year of 2002 and all the courses that is registered by government, it is recognized by the government. This business, this Lila Infotech. Now it's changed the name with Lita Trust Computer Center, Computer Education Center at MAPSA. All our courses same, fees are same. But one thing I will tell you, this is not a business organization to make or to earn the money. This is given the education, those who don't have to pay the fees, higher fees. In short word, I will say that this is the affordable fees for the lower income or middle class people. For more, any doubts or any things, any inquiries for more, just contact or call me. So what are you waiting for? Just register your names, register yourself at my center, Lita Trust. Okay? And thank you.